Hi everyone, this is Curious Nisha and welcome back to the channel. If you have been following Chinese entertainment news, you know that our favorite on-screen duo, Shen Yu and Dylan Wang, have faced their fair share of intense spotlight, rumors, and fan drama over the last month. When you are as massive as these two, every move is analyzed under a microscope. But today, we are throwing out the negativity because both Shen Yu and Dylan Wang are proving exactly why they are superstars. They are booked, busy, and most importantly, looking incredibly happy continuing their work. Let's dive into what these two have been up to lately. Because fans are absolutely thrilled to see them thriving in their respective new projects. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for more C-drama updates. First up, let's talk about our favorite girl, Shen Yu. She has been completely lighting up the screen on the massive variety show Wonderland 6. Just recently, fan accounts went wild over clips of her looking absolutely stunning. If you take a look at this pose, you can see a glimpse of Shen Yu absolutely owning the runway. Look at this gorgeous shot. Her studio shared these updates from the new episode. He's wearing this sharp, structured black dress that perfectly balances high fashion elegance with her signature sweet charm. Her hair is beautifully waved and she looks incredibly confident. It is a total power move. For anyone who ever doubted her versatility, this look completely shuts it down. Her studio captioned this update with the poetic line, "Life is more than this." AB Pay face which side is wonderful, capturing her ability to switch from high glam to pure joy. And speaking of pure joy, here she is smiling brightly while riding a wooden roller coaster style cart on the show. This is the genuine radiant Shen Yu we've all fell in love with. Despite past fan disputes or online noise, she is out there smiling, working hard, and delivering pure happiness to her audience. While Shen Yu is conquering variety and passion, Dylan Wang is doing what he does best, captivating us in historical costume dramas. The production team for his highly anticipated upcoming drama, Empress Reborn, just dropped some incredible content. As seen in this, a fan account shared a gorgeous look at a video release for the Dragon Boat Festival, featuring Dylan alongside his beautiful co-star Meng Si-yi. Tencent Video went all out with the promo pics. They released a series of adorable, coordinated couple photos tied together by a stylized red string of fate. Dylan looks stunning in rich, royal purple robes with his hair up in a traditional high ponytail. Both he and Meng Si-yi are playfully peeking through their fingers, showing off a very fun, comfortable chemistry on set. They are doing cute matching winks. Dylan's playful, energetic nature is on full display here. It is so heartwarming to see him looking so relaxed, deeply focused on his craft, and bring his incredible charisma to a new set. What makes all of this so special for longtime fans is Seeing how both of them have risen above past controversies or external pressures. Being a top star in the industry means facing constant speculation. But Dylan and Shenyu have always shown immense maturity. They are focusing entirely on their careers, their passions, and their growth as artists. Seeing Shenyu looking fierce, happy on Wonderland 6, and Dylan looking majestic and playful on the set of Empress Reborn proves that they are in a great place. They are continuing to work happily, creating amazing content for us to enjoy. At the end of the day, their happiness and success are what matter most to true fans. So what do you think about Shenyu's stunning runway look and her interaction in the Wonderland 6? And are you excited to watch Dylan Wang in Empress Reborn? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below and give this video a big thumbs up if you're happy to see them thriving. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye!